go to vidnos.com and create a free AI video. You click on this button, then you sign in. I'm just going to create a new account here. Just write in the email and click sign up. Once you have signed up for your Vidnos account, this is your dashboard screen for Vidnos, and this is your workspace that you will see. If it will ask you what kind of video you are crafting. I'm just going to select tutorial and how to. You can select whatever your niche is. And there are a few popular templates, but we don't want to go there. So I'm just going to click outside this box, click next, and then just finish this tutorial. What we need to do is in here, we need to go to avatars and click there. Once you're on this page, you need to create your own avatar, but you can go to avatar light and then you need to upload an image. You can also use the one that are already provided, but we're going to create our own. For creating our images, I'm going to go to Microsoft Copilot. In here, I'm going to ask the Copilot, which is basically GPT-4, to create an image for us. I'm going to go and write create an image of a pilot facing front in a uniform. I'm going to let it render the image. It created 4 images, so I'm going to take the one which is facing towards us. I'm going to take this image and download it. I'm just going to go and click here and then click download. Now the download is completed and I'm going to go back to the Vidnos and click upload. Once you're in this page, click the upload button again and upload the picture that we copied from the Copilot. Now it will display it here and it open this dialog box where you have this dashboard. There is a text box where you can type in the type of script that you want it to speak and you just write some sentences and create generates, then apply and then click generate. Could take 15 to 20 minutes to generate your talking image, but once it's created, that's how it looks like.
Safety of passengers and crew.
Now you know how to create AI face videos, but if you want to learn how to create faceless videos, just click here.